This is unboxing with kid gloves. With the big kids!
All right, here we are.
Hi.
Naomi, Ariel, are you so excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna do some unboxing with kids gloves, and I am super pumped, as you can see from the video behind us, to do this with United Sodas of America. Can you hold this for me real quickly?
Sure.
Hold this. So, I've got my daughter, Naomi Ariel,
Hi.
and she has been asking me, when can I do an unboxing with kids gloves videos? And I was like, how about with this? Because my daughter is a ball of vibrancy and brightness and joy, and I think that you're gonna find that out from United Sodas, just what they're about. So, United Sodas of America. So first of all, what do you think? This is how it's shipped to us, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think this is called?
Tape?
Well, yeah, that's the tape. So I actually had to cut it there. So yeah, that's actually a paper tape. So you know how sometimes we get things and it's got like a clear tape on it where you have to like peel it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this runs through its own machine, and it's a paper tape that's really, really strong. So it keeps the box together, but it also helps in the recycling process. How cool is that? Do we recycle a lot in our house?
I don't know.
Yes, we do. We recycle all the time. But, okay, so what kind of box do you think this is?
It's a box.
Yeah, so there are different kinds of boxes. Like your cereal box is a different kind of box than this box is. Did you know that?
A package box?
Sort of like a package box, yeah. This is called a corrugated shipping box.
Okay.
Can you say that?
Corrugated shipping box.
Yeah, corrugated shipping box. And the style, look, so it's actually printed. How many colors of ink do you see on there? Because this
one
comes brown.
color?
Yeah, it's one color printed. So this is a one color black, I believe. Corrugated people, you can correct me. I believe this is an FOS. Is that right? A full overlap seal. It's been a minute since I've been in corrugated. And look what we have down here. Papa's favorite thing. What is that?
FedEx?
No, not FedEx. Well, yeah, it did ship via FedEx, but what is this thing on the box?
Tape?
It's a label, silly. Remember, that's what I do for my job. I work in the label business. All right, we're going to open up this box, and we're going to see what's inside, okay? All right, we're back.
Hi.
So I have taken off this. What's this called again?
Corrugated shipping box.
That's right, a corrugated shipping box with what? What kind of what is it?
A label.
A label, all right. And inside, we have revealed some very well-protected sodas. So, let's talk about this box here for a second. What kind of box do you think this is?
Inside of a corrugated shipping box.
That is pretty much true. This is also corrugated. Did you know that? So it's the same kind of material, which is really cool because corrugated boxes are recycled at a really high rate, like our pizza boxes. Do you know our pizza boxes go to the recycling stream? They do, I know. So we have another corrugated box. What's the difference between the shipping box and this box? What's the biggest difference you see?
That one's longer.
Yep.
This one's shorter. That one's brown, and this one's white.
Great observations. Yeah. So this is I believe it's a number 3 or a number 1 white outside. And corrugated boxes, just so you know, come with 3 different parts. So you have the I believe it's the liner. Is that right? So there's a thin piece of paper on one side, like right here. See, look right there. You can see there's like that's thin and that's thin. In the middle is what's called the fluting, and that's what gives it a lot of its strength. We should go see what they're really cool facilities, the corrugated facilities. And this one is actually white on the inside as well. So it's white on both sides. This is a bleached. This is this style of box. So if that's a full overlap seal, this style of box is a roll end. So these ends are rolled up and then it tucks with these tuck flaps.
Tucky.
So it tucks in. Yep. Yep, this is a tucky box. And how many colors is this one printed? What does it look like?
Black.
Yep, just one color black. So that means, there's these printing plates. And that means that this only had the one printing plate. So they did a great job by making packaging to get to us that is good for the environment, right? Because remember, this can all be recycled.
Yeah.
And it's also good for them to make money because it's not really, really expensive. The other thing about the shipping box, the brown box, not Tucky, but the shipping box, is that it's deeper. And so that box, there's a saying in corrugated boxes, deeper is cheaper. So they found a great way to ship us these hopefully delicious sodas, we haven't even tried them yet, in a way that's cost effective. So it has all of the things. Let's see. So let's make sure they all outline. It's like a box of chocolates. Remember how you look at the box of chocolates? Okay, so let's see what we got inside. Do you want to open it all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What? Okay, so we've got cherry pop, strawberry basil. Yep, and look, it goes all the way down here to, I believe this is a blackberry jam. Let's see. Sure enough.
Yay!
Blackberry jam. So they're all loaded. That's not easy. So good job, United Sodas of America, for creating the experience. So what do you see? What's the biggest difference? You have the shipping box that's it's brown and black, and then how did this box, Tucky, make you feel?
Fun.
Fun? Yeah. It's a fun brand, huh? Actually, when you go to their website, if you don't do anything for a while, then it has this like old school screensaver thing that I grew up with. Okay, now let's take a look here at one. We'll each grab one of these. What flavor do you want to grab? We've got a peach, we've got a strawberry, we've got a mango. Let's see, what else? An orange, pear, elderflower, gingery ale, sour blueberry, toasted coconut. Save that one for Mama. White grape and blackberry jam. Cherry? Cherry, I thought so. So grab the cherry one out. And can you get it? Cool. I'm gonna roll this over, and I am a sucker for mango. So we are going to talk about this, because this is all packaging. We're gonna talk about this in 1 second. All right, we're back, and we've got our sodas. So what is happening right now? What does it feel like? What about this?
It feels smooth.
It's kind of smooth. It's got a bit of a texture to it, huh? What does a normal can feel like? Does it feel different than a normal can?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's very different than a normal can. So, do you know what this decoration on the outside of the can is called?
No.
It's called a shrink sleeve. So what happens is this can is made out of aluminum. And then this sleeve, it's a plastic, probably a PET sleeve. It's a plastic. Remember you learned about polymers in school?
Yeah.
It's like one of those. And so this goes down over the top, and then it goes through this tunnel, and it goes like this, and it shrinks down onto it. Super cool, huh? And then it stays on there really tight. It doesn't come off of there, right?
Yeah.
A shrink sleeve is also better in a lot of cases than a label, because the label can only wrap around that part, where the shrink sleeve can go all the way up. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So we have a shrink sleeve, and we have that on an aluminum can. So here is a question for you. What do you think you would do when you're done with this can?
Recycle it?
That is a great thing to do with aluminum cans. However, dun dun dun. What did I just say is over the outside of the can?
Shrink sleeve?
A shrink sleeve. So this shrink sleeve means that can is probably not going to get recycled. So you can drop anything you want into your recycle bin, but it doesn't mean it gets recycled. And so what we do with our shrink sleeves in the Peak House is when we see a really recyclable thing like PET or aluminum, like this is an aluminum can, then we will take that off when we're done with it, right?
Okay.
Okay. Why don't we do what I know you've been waiting to do and try it?
Yeah.
And we're back, and we have opened up our cans of soda. You haven't even tried it yet, have you? So all of this, oh, can you smell it? Mine smells so mango-y good. And look at that. There's hardly, let's see, what's the sugar on this? This one only has 6 grams of sugar.
Yeah, 6
Wow,
grams of
that's
sugar.
not very much. Well, cheers, Gnomes, to United Sodas of America.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Super good, huh? I cannot wait to try the other flavors. This mango is amazing. How's your cherry pop?
Good.
Good. All right. Well, good work, United Sodas of America. Love the corrugated, love the simplicity, and then I love the pop of color when you open it up. That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
One thing is, let's make it easier to get these shrink sleeves off, right? You should be able to tear that thing off when you're done, and we can't quite do that right now. So let's keep encouraging recycling. Awesome job on making a great tasting product. This is really good, isn't
Yeah.
it? Super good. Until next time, Naomi Ariel, what do you want to say?
I love it.
Thanks, everybody.